has always embedded Intel made processor in the Alienware gaming laptop series since 2007. However, after about 14 years, the company decided to switch to CPUs made by AMD as the main support system for its latest gaming laptops device. One of these latest gaming devices include the Alienware M15 R5, which is recently launched by Dell. The laptop is powered by AMD Ryzen 5000 series processor and is also equipped with the latest Nvidia graphics processor, GeForce RTX 3000 series, RAM up to 32GB, and PCIe M.2 up to 6TB of storage media. The company also claims that the Alienware M15 R5 is their first gaming laptop to adopt DDR4 RAM at a speed of 3200 MHz. Users can increase the RAM capacity on this laptop via the two available SO-DIMM slots. This Alienware M15 R5 is also packed with 15.6-inch panel with QHD resolutions, 360Hz refresh rate, a brightness level of up to 400 nits, a 1 millisecond screen response, and the G-Sync feature. This Alienware M15 R5 is also supported by 86 Wh battery, along with 240 Watt power adapter. To support performance, the GPU itself requires power consumptions of up to 125 Watt, weighs up to 2.69 kg. This gaming laptop is also equipped with support for connectivity, including HDMI 2.1 port, Ethernet, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1, 1 USB-A 3.2 Gen 2, 1 USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, and a 3.5mm audio jack. There are also two types of keyboard that can be selected by the user: M series for the Malian's FX RGB type keyboard, or the optional Cherry MX keyboard with mechanical switches. This Alienware M15 R5 gaming laptop is sold at $1,800. This gaming laptop currently can only be purchased in China on May 4th.